In sales, your first impression can make or break the entire relationship. Within seconds of meeting, a prospect forms a perception of you, often before a single word is spoken. That initial judgment influences how much they trust you, how closely they listen, and whether they believe you're credible. And here's the catch. Once made, first impressions are tough to reverse. This makes preparation critical. Dress appropriately for your industry and the audience. Whether you're in person or on video, look engaged, not distracted. Smile, offer a firm handshake or a confident wave, and maintain eye contact. Even your posture speaks volumes. Slouching can signal disinterest, while upright, open body language reflects confidence and attentiveness. People buy from those they trust, and trust often begins with likability. First impressions aren't about being flashy. They're about showing up as your best, most genuine self. That's what earns you the permission to continue the conversation and build rapport.